Children, today I start class 2nd NCERT book English lesson unit 3 lesson name The Wind and the Sun. The wind and the sun. Can you know wind means what? Already you've seen sun, isn't it? Here is the conversation between the wind and the sun. Let us see. First I'll read the lesson. Wind. Sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Here, wind said, Sun, can you see that man? Here, see, sun asking to the wind. See there, one man is walking on the road. I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. He wore a coat. See, in the picture, that man wore a coat, a cap, isn't it? The sun said, I can get his coat off more quickly. See, sun said, okay. Sun, next sun, smiling. Wind said, sun said, we will see who is stronger. I will let you try first. Sun said, I will try to first. First, wind said, sun, I can get his coat off more quickly. But sun said, I will see who is stronger. First, let me try. Who said this? Sun said. Next, see there, wind. Puffing his cheeks and blowing her. Oof, oof, oof. Man, how strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly round myself. When wind flew the blowing, hard blowing, oof, 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 like that. The coat is flying, but man said, I must hold it tightly round myself. Man said, I must hold it tightly. Wind. Again, oof, oof. That did. Next, can we go next page? Yes. See there. Again, man pulling his coat more tightly. Again, he pulling his coat more tightly. When wind again said whoop whoop, but that time the man holding his coat like this. Wind, sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Wind said, I cannot get his coat off. Sun, now it is my turn. Sun said, now it is my turn. Let me try. Let me try. I will try. Sun said, man, what a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot. When sun said, I will try, he shines hard. Sun shines hard. That time that man says, what a funny day it is today. It was so cold, but now it is so hot. Sun shining harder. Again sun shining harder. I will make him feel hotter and hotter. Man whipping his face. I must take off my coat. See here in the picture, whipping his face, take a napkin and whipping. After that, sweat. He becomes wet and he remove the coat. See there in the picture, can you see? Yes. Must take off my coat. Sun, wind, I have won. Sun said, I have won. I have made him take off his coat. Wind said, I have made him take off a coat. So I was wind. Who said this? Sun. Can you understand this lesson, children? This is conversation between the wind and the sun. Okay. You must read the lesson and learn. Here is down there given some new words. Road, coat, quickly, stronger, cheeks, won. Can you now we'll see the meanings of the words. First one, road. Road means an open way for travel. An open way for travel is called road. Next one, coat. Coat means an outer garment. This is called coat. Can you see in the picture? Yes, an outer garment with the sleeves to make you feel warm. Next one, quickly. Quickly means at a fast speed. Fast speed. Stronger. Next one, stronger. Stronger means more powerful. Stronger means more powerful. Cheeks. Cheeks means either side of the face below the eye is called cheeks. This place is called cheeks. You know very well here in the picture. Can you see? These are called cheeks. Next one, won. Won means to be successful or victory. Victory is called won. Can you understand, children? Learn these words. Read the lesson. Can we go next page? Yes. See here, in the next page they are given reading is fun. First question, what did the wind do to get the man's coat off? Second question, what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? Third one, who won in the end? Here, who said these words to whom? Next question, see there. I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Second one, I will let you try first. Third one, how cold it is. Next one, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Next one, fifth one, I have won. These 5 questions are who said these words to whom. This here in the given statements, no. This statement said who to whom. Who said to whom. Just we write, okay. Related class notes I will send in your WhatsApp group, okay. Okay, see here. Let's think. Rohan tries to snatch Geeta's new book from her. What do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. Geeta runs away with her book. Geeta fights with Rohan. Geeta talks to Rohan. Geeta cries in a corner. Now share with the class why you feel so. See, here is the just you discuss with your friends. See there, let's think. Rohan tries to snatch Geeta's new book. See here, Geeta has one book. He snatched her book from her. What do you think is the best thing to do? Choose an answer. First one, see there, Geeta runs away with her book. This is right. Or Geeta fights with Rohan? No, that is not good. Geeta talks to Rohan. Geeta cries in a corner. Now share with the class why you feel so. Just you discuss with your friends and which is right. Here you choose. Okay, can we go next page? Yes. Find a rhyming word from the story for each of these words. See there, rhyming words here given in the box. They are given words, related rhyming words. Already you learned in grammar book, isn't it? Related rhyming word you have to search in your lesson, in this lesson. Okay, see there, first one, bun. Ending word pronunciation is same is that is rhyming words, isn't it? Yes, bun, turn, hold, cold, boat, coat, fun, can, sunny, funny, pot, hot. Okay, can I say once again? Bun, turn, hold, cold, boat, coat, fan, can, sunny, funny, pot, hot. Okay, next see there, let's write. Here are some doing words in the story. Doing words. Doing words means action words. Verb, isn't it? Verb is a action word. You know, you learnt in grammar class, no? Yes, here given some doing words. Walking, smiling, blowing, pulling. Find 3 more doing words in the story that end in ing and then write them here. You just read the lesson and search their ing words, doing words, and write here. Okay? Can you write? Can you doing this work? Yes. Next, see there. Choose the right word from the box below and fill in the blanks. Here, there in the blue box, they're given some words. You just read the passage and choose the correct word and write here. Okay? Can you doing this? Yes. Shall we go next page? Yes. See here, look at these pairs of words with opposite meanings. See here, hot, cold, big, small, strong, weak. Opposite words already knew, you will know very well. Okay. Here see some words they are given. Good, opposite word, bad. We have to write here bad, B-A-D, bad. Hard, soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Tall, short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Black, white, W-H-I-T-E, white. Okay, you write this. Next, see there, crossword fun. Look at the pictures and complete the words in the puzzle. See here given puzzles. First one, you see the picture, coat, C-O, right here, C-O-A-T, coat, isn't it? As M-A-N, man. Here S-U-N, sun. Here W-O-N, won. Like this. Okay. Next, act out the play. The wind and the sun in the class make paper mask for the sun and the wind using colored chart paper. Everybody can take turns to be the wind, the sun, or the man. Now write 2 sentences about one of the mask. Okay, right. This is play, action play. But we are not possible to do now. No, if we are in the classroom, we can do this. Okay, leave it. Okay, can you understand, children? This lesson related class notes I will send in our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.